Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out the Glow on the Go from the brand Girlactik. And this is another product that I got in my September 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which if you have not seen that unbagging video yet, I'll have that linked in the description down below. And I have been really enjoying trying out the makeup products that I got in that. And I'm pretty excited about all the makeup products that I got. So I got this in the shade Jet Setter, and this seems like a cool, more unique way of applying highlighter, maybe even quicker and easier. So here is what it looks like. It's like a chubby stick, chubby pencil, and actually I have so many different versions of chubby sticks like this that a lot of them I've actually gotten from Shop Miss A for $1, and I think they are amazing. So the fact that this cost $21 kind of has me a little bit shocked. But it's cruelty free, and basically you can just apply this all over your face where you want to add that highlight. So let's see. Yep, it twists up. Before I go ahead and apply it to my face, I want to do a swatch to see what this color looks like. Ooh, that is actually a perfect highlight shade. Very bright, like a perfect champagne highlight shade. And it does just glide on easily, writes very easily. So I'm really excited to see how this is going to look. First, I'm going to start out with a little brow highlight. I feel like this is a perfect brow highlight product because you can get really precise, just draw it right where you want it, and then it says you can just blend it out with your finger, and it's a really perfect brow highlight shade. So love how this is looking. Definitely a great use for that. It's a little bit too light and sheer, or just kind of too similar to my natural skin tone to really wear as like an eyelid eyeshadow, but that's not really what this is claiming to be. It's more of a face highlight, but I do think it would be really great for this inner corner. Oh my gosh, yes, perfect to brighten the inner corner, and so easy to apply here. I'm not getting any like loose sparkle into my eye. Very nice. Love this as an eye highlight. Now I'll try it out on the cheeks. Now it seems a little bit more difficult to have to color in like section of my cheek and then blend it out. I think I prefer to use a powdered highlighter or a cream liquid highlighter than this. It's not the easiest to blend out, and as I'm trying to blend it, it's like moving my makeup. So I was like kind of excited about a highlighter in a stick form, but now I'm realizing why most highlighters do not come in stick form. It's not the most convenient application, but it is a beautiful highlighter that gives really pretty glow. Like, it's such a perfect highlight color, and I think this is actually the only shade that I saw that it comes in. So it's a perfect highlight shade for me and my fair skin, but I'm not sure I'd say that this is a universally flattering highlight shade. And since I have to draw so much on my cheeks, I also feel like I would go through this stick formula a lot faster than like a classic powder highlighter. And I'm drawing a lot on, and it's definitely not super pigmented, not super buildable, even though the finished result is a really pretty glow. Let's see, I feel like this could be really good for a nose highlight, so then you can be really precise and exactly where you want to place it on the nose. So I like this as a highlighter for small areas better, like an eye highlight. It's perfect for nose. That was really easy. Cupid's bow. I don't usually highlight the Cupid's bow, but that's a small area that this would be good for. So it's nice, it's fine. It's not blowing me away at all. And I really think this is pretty much the exact same thing as so many of my $1 chubby crayons that I love. So I don't understand the high price point. I mean, if I was paying $1 for this, I would be like, this is beautiful, versatile. But $21, no, there is no way I can recommend this for $21. I would recommend a powder highlight rather than this one here. So now I know. I was very excited about this, very intrigued by it, but still not my favorite. Definitely let me know your thoughts on it in the comments down below. Let me know what your favorite uses are for it. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.